This step-by-step video how to use HTML on our email sender. The best email sender is email sender that will give you reply to. That you have reply to. This is the reply to where you add reply to and HTML. This is source code. You can type email on blank and you can import HTML. So if you click this source, then you can now go ahead and paste your HTML here. And let me show you what that means. I write code on ChatGPT. This code I write on ChatGPT. Let me copy the code. Then I want to go back to my sender and paste my HTML. This is the HTML. Of course, there's no preview yet, but if you want to see how it look like on your email when somebody receive your email, just click the source code again, the source again, and it's going to switch to visual so that you will see how it look like. If you don't like it, you can always rewrite anytime you want. You can make changes. You can add as many as you can. Button, buy now, click here, and more. So this, I'm going to send myself email. This HTML. First, I have to write a subject line. Let me just write anything. I'm here just for demo. Reply to automatically have add for my this is my reply to. Of course, you can add. Make sure you add your reply to, because your reply to is where people will respond to you when they get your message. Then CEO. This means this is a sender email from name means the name recipient will see who sent the message. And scheduling, I'm not scheduling. I'm sending right away. Gateway, I'm using SNTP. This is SNTP one, and who I'm sending email just for single message as you want to send it to my email. So if you want to send a bulk message, you can click group message. But this is for the how to use HTML video. So all I'm going to go do is just click send. You can see successfully send request. I have to check my inbox to see if my message come inbox because here I think I'll see message pop up here, and this is it here. You can see on my Outlook email. This message deliver on Office 365. So you can this is my hello, I'm here, and this is it. This is how it look like. This is my email.